Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to create a face blaster poster. First we download this image from pixels.com that has been clicked by Ekatira Belinsica, and then from there we are going to move ahead. We take that image into Pickwish to remove the background. Now, the reason why we are doing this is that we need only the face. Okay, so this is done. And as usual, we also upscale the image because the resolution comes very less. Now, see, you see this? This is 852, and if you put that off, it becomes 213. Yeah. So you can actually go 16 times, but there is an issue. It very clearly says this might not always work properly. Okay, for images. So sometimes it's even okay to load your image onto upscale twice to get the desired result. Okay, so run it once, then run it twice. You can even try the 16x time directly, not a problem at all. Okay, so upscale is an app or which you can directly download and you can work around this. Now we open this in Corel Photo Paint and delete the shoulder and the t-shirt area. Okay, and this is what we get. Crop it so that you get only the face and just name our file. It's very important to save it because if there is a crash of the software, then it could be a very big problem. Now in this, what we'll do that we give it a size and also put a grid over there. Once that is done, now we take the contours of the face and now we mold this whole line as per the face. Okay, so you know that the face curves will move if you pass a line through the whole face. Okay, so it will go up on the cheek, it'll go down on this, and things like that. So you work around it that way. Now you extend the upper line and trim that upper line so that you get the same cut at the bottom part of the second one. That same thing we will even do for the third, the fourth, all of them. Okay, so as per the curves of the body, you move things up and down, see how things are going. Okay, so slowly now you go exactly as per the curves. I'm showcasing this to you so that you know how this works. Same, extend it and trim it. Okay, now the last one, the hair. This can be just done arbitrarily. Convert all of them to curves and move them. Okay, so you move with the curve of the hair. Again extend and trim, and we are done with all our three. Now just move this by 50 mm, so give a nudging of 50 and move this. Now keep trimming different parts. You see, this is the output that you get. Okay, now from here we take all of them and we move it aside. Now the reason why we are doing this is that now we are going to create this circle or this shape which is going to uh, allow us to give a a face cutout kind of a thing. So let's say this is the when you cut his face from his lips, okay, the cross section will look like this. Just give it a color and just let it be. Now that color can be copy pasted over here also, fine, and that same thing you do for the head. Okay, make sure you make this ear type feature, and again we copy paste this. Yeah, see, that's how it should look, and rotate it. Okay, now this shadow that is there, no, give it a shadow, so you know that okay, this is the part of the body that is giving a shadow and is broken from there. Oh, never mind, chalo, this will give it exactly the shape of the ear. Okay, and obviously then we copy paste it here, and after rotation give it a color, delete this one and take it here. Okay, so as we keep doing one, you keep deleting and keep putting the shadow, and this is how the whole development will be done. For people who are you think that the video is going a little fast, please watch this in slow motion. Okay, every step is done to the full. There is no skipping on this. So it's just fast. That's about it. Okay, so now this one we need to cut it out because we don't need the whole hair. We need only how much hair is there. So delete these certain nodes. It does not matter because we are just putting a shadow over there. Okay, so only the shadow of this part should kind of fall. So it's fine. I mean, the shadow of the top hair is falling. So even if it's slightly small, it's fine. Cool. So this is what we get. And now we give this a shadow and we put this behind. Okay. Now group all of them, rotate it and keep it here. So this is how my head will look. Now, does it look mind blasting? Cool. Yeah. So this is our whole artwork that's made. And now we give it a background color and we will now start putting our text. Yeah, so take the text tool, say mind blown. Okay, give it Baskerville font, rotate it to -90 degrees and put it here, extend it slightly outside your artwork. Fine. And now we cut our text apart. So everything is converted to curves, but is yet there, and everything is yet a text. So you can increase or decrease the size. Now we are going to skew it. It's not something that you must do. Okay, vertically and horizontal skewing is not allowed as a designer, but for typography, it's fine. Okay, now place your text in such a way that now this should not look like LOL. Okay, BLOWN. Okay, so put it that way. Now let's do one thing. We increase the size of this. Okay, now this B and LO is looking similar, so we give it a different thing. Okay, let's give it a a stop sign, I mean a pause, on off button. Okay, we give it an on off button thing because they both are looking the same. So this is how you create your on off button. Okay, come here, put a line. Again, give it rounding at 12 point. See, both should be same at 12 point, and this is how your on off button is done. Now let's play with this 160 and this at 200. Okay, full, and reduce the size of this. Okay, now again let's reduce the overall size of this. So you will have to increase the angle. So 90, 150, I think 210 is good, yeah. And make both of them 10 point. Yeah, because you made it smaller, so your outline also should get smaller. Okay, now keep a circle. So this is our O. Okay, that other one is a B. So this is what you need to make sure that this is how it should look. Okay, so BLOWN. So this is how you differentiate certain things. Now ungroup all this, copy paste your blown, mind blown, and give it a now we nudge it at 2.5. Okay, you see that 2.5. So 5, and you press control and nudge it. After pressing control, this is what you get. Okay, now select all the others, make them black, and now we copy paste them and nudge them up and give them this same blue color. Okay, the really light blue color, and now keep inserting all of them inside. All of them have to be done individually. Okay, so I know it's time consuming, but fine. So this one is going, yeah, okay, all are going up. Fine. Okay, or let's do one thing, let's make all of them go down, so by 5 mm, so that our D and W and all that is breaking will not break anymore. Okay, so all our breaks will disappear. Okay, you can't do anything with the W, that's fine. And this is how you do it. Now take this, and after you do this, now let's give it an effect. You get into your properties, you and you come here. Let's see what looks best. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so we come here, finalize this, and again give it a transparency, and that's the end of our artwork. This is how you create this mind blown poster. Okay, if you like this particular design, then please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.